under pressure. Nightmare Pat, I'm smoking pressure. I'm a bad getter. If it's fuck me, then fuck you, it's for the better.
In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
In the summer of my life, that's when we first met. Honey, walk through fire for you, just let me adore you. Oh honey, walk through fire. I'm saying that I love you every day, and I know that you love me, baby, admit it. Give me all your love and don't stop my love.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess you made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they fall, but I'm thinking about you. Hold on.
Baby girl, you know what I want. Let me do it to you, do it to you. Let me do you like
Hiding my tears in my eyes, 'cause boys don't cry. Boys don't cry.
You wanna put a ring on my finger?
Put it on and make him wanna marry me. Yeah. Put it on and make him wanna marry me. Yeah. Put it on and make him wanna marry me. Yeah. Put it on and make him put it.
like all of us do. Sends his assistant for coffee in the afternoon around 1:32. Like he knows what to do.
night, I'm just gonna be in my room. I just wanna be in my room. I just wanna be in my room.
Under pressure, name her pack, I'm smoking pressure. I'm a bad getter. If it's fuck me, then fuck you, it's for the better. In the basement.
I know I probably need to do better. Fuck whoever, keep my shit together. You never told me being rich was so lonely. Nobody know me. Oh well, hard to complain from this 5-star hotel.
Hi everyone, so I'm finally filming my very long awaited room tour. There's just some overviews and this is what you see when you walk in. And then when you turn to your right you've got this wall, which is one of my favourite parts. The photos there are from free prints. Vinyls are from eBay, butterflies are from Amazon. Shelf is from IKEA. Photos are also from free prints. Then the little cabinet's also from IKEA. And here's my mirror. Mirrors from IKEA and the stickers are off of eBay. Got some gym photos and my medals from gymnastics. Vinyls are from Amazon and my desk is from IKEA, as well as a chair. Playboy stickers I made by myself. The larger photos are from Desenio. The neon lights are from eBay. Mirrors also from IKEA. Vanity I have no idea. Alex light from eBay. And then here's a final little overview. I'm going to do a separate video showing how it looks at night with all my lights on. But let me know if you have any questions. Hope you enjoyed.